Ano siya guys. Ano siya. 1226 mask corrector. Back. The back. Player 199 Ali. Player 46 Hanky. OL Nam. Kang Sebyok. Cho Sang-ho. Mask corrector. Collect demo. Squid Game Funko Pop. This is Pop Television. This just open it. Open it. Open this data box. Walang ano. Walang ano yung box. Okay then. Pelted. The box. Mahirap siya ibalik ah. Mahirap siya ibalik. So 50. Ito na siya. This is current shoes. There's the shoes. And step on it. And this the belt. In this Squid Game Netflix. We found in this slots. This is Gonnabird. And this is the head. It's unique right there. Right there. The top, the box. Right here. There's my mask worker. The circle. Come on, I'm ready. And this is the box. Babalik ko na guys. Balik ko na guys. Yee. Balik na natin guys. Balik na natin. This I can't. Is boxes and ready. This Funko Pop Squid Game. This is Funko Pop. Archer. This Kira Evern. Yes, a Funko Pop Squid Game. Netflix. The Bounce. $100. This is also there's a Funko Pop. So there's a Funko Pop right there. Finish. Binalag ko na. Naka-vlog na. Na-vlog ko na rin sa wakas. Okay guys. Na-vlog na natin guys. Di ba guys? Kung meron kayo nito, pwede kayo bumili sa Shopee. Daming sales doon, di ba? Dami guys, daming sales doon. Meron siya protector. Yun guys kung magkano, $699. May libre ng protector. Ayan, makaka-order na kayo sa Shopee. May libre ng protector. Okay na guys, magpapaalam na ako. Okay, enjoy na kayo sa video ko. Okay guys. Yan, Squid Game yan. Yan guys, magpapaalam na ako. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Bye.